What you see behind you is students from all over the state, 14 different schools. In total, over the 2 hours, we had 80 to 90 students presenting their work. A couple of goals. Number one is to give the people of Arkansas, in a venue like this, which is a good place to show it off, show them the opportunities that people have for education in the state. And these students are products of the support that people have received from the state. Some have lottery money, some have full paid scholarships, taxpayer money that's paying for these educations that you see. And so that's number one. Number two is a chance for these students to present their work to a different audience. They usually will talk to scientists and mathematicians. This is the public. And it's a little bit different audience. It gives them a chance to kind of explain their work in a different way so that other people can understand it. And the building is fantastic. So being able to present this in the Capitol, in a building like this is beautiful.
Hi, I'm Katie Prim. I go to UCA and I'm a senior. It's my last semester. And what my research is I grew a lot of different types of gold nanoparticles. And so what I did was I grew nanoparticles on top of a calcium fluoride window, and then with that I wanted to see absorbance of IR light. And then I wanted to see if I could get more absorbance, so I grew gold nanorods. And so with that, I analyzed those to see if I could get more absorbance, and we're still in the process of finding better nanorods to get more absorbance in solar panel applications, electronics, and medical applications because of gold.
Well, I'm Travis Kirsch, and this is Alan Lim, and we're from the University of Central Arkansas, and we're here presenting at the STEM conference at the State Capitol, and we're presenting our research translating time across mammalian species, and it's a huge collaborative effort. It spans across UCA, of course, ULR, UIMS, and actually Cornell University as well. And what our data does is essentially, in layman terms, kind of think dog days as human days, except it's not only that, we can actually take a rat species, for instance, and take that information and translate it into a human, for instance, so we can actually look and say, like, the eyes are opening in a rat, for instance, at like maybe 20 days, and then we can say, well, this happens in a human at 128 days. And then we can take this information and we can apply it to other species and then apply it to other research as well, like medical research.
And number three, so I would say that the third thing that we're, of course, interested in is, since we're in the Capitol, it doesn't hurt that the legislators are here and they can come and see this is what their support is doing. It's paying for students like this to have these opportunities.
I'm very glad to have the science programs here today at the Capitol, because this is where the future of our state's at. With economic development, the science and the technology is a key part of that, and we need to be able to show and prove to prospective employers that are looking to come to our state that we have the talent and the capability to produce the young minds that are needed to fill those jobs. And I think we see here today that we've got that capability.
I'm very impressed with what I see, and we need students to continue, those that have any interest at all, to get into science, technology, mathematics, get into those areas where we need the best of the best, the cream of the crop, to continue to develop what they're doing so that we can continue to be strong in Arkansas.
I hope it becomes an annual event for what I think are the good reasons. One good reason is it gives these bright students a chance to come to a unique location to share their really interesting science or math. The other one that I hope is the reason that we have it is that people in the state of Arkansas begin to realize it's really nice to have these people come to one place. I can go down to the Capitol, I can talk to these students and find out what's going on back at the home school. So hopefully we've got that side of it as well. So if we get the state looking forward to it, and we get the students I know are looking forward to it, then I think it can continue.